Hey guys, so today is something a bit different. I am going to get my lashes lifted or permed, whatever you want to call it. I am so excited to get this done. I have been looking this up for the longest time. Seriously, like I have googled so many places that do lash lifts, I've done my research, and I'm really excited. I haven't ever done this before, obviously, so I thought I would only go to the best of the best, which is Amy Jean Couture. She is located in a bunch of different locations, but I'm going to the Sydney studio. My appointment's really soon, so I've got to get dressed. Obviously I cannot wear mascara to my appointment, but she didn't say anything about other makeup, so I just put like basic makeup on. These are my lashes at the moment. They're pretty long, but they're fairly straight, I would say. They don't really have a curl. When I curl them, they look bomb, and if I have like a really good curling volumizing mascara, then they look really good. But I just wanted something really easy, especially since I don't wear makeup to work. I thought I would take you guys along with me. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film the actual process, but I'll film the before and after, my first impressions and all that jazz. So yeah. If you guys don't know what a lash lift is, it's basically a perm for your lashes. Just makes them stand up nice and curly. I heard about Amy Jean by a friend of mine, and then I looked her up, and I also saw that Chloe Morello went to her. A few celebrities go to her, which was kind of cool, so I thought I would get it done by someone who knows what they're doing. I don't wear makeup every single day to work. Actually, I don't wear makeup at all to work, and it would just be nice to have some lashes and look a little bit more put together, rather than everyone telling me every single day, you look so tired. So yeah, I'm really excited. You'll see me once I have had my lashes lifted, and I look fly as hell. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm back home after my appointment, and goddamn, I have my lashes lifted. However, I'll tell you a bit about the experience on my main camera, because holding up this phone is killing my arm. Let's start off with what Amy Jean's studio looks like. It is so beautiful. Everything is black with blue velvet, and everything was just so chic. Honestly, it was like heaven. I walked in and I was guided to another room where we got the lash lift done. I have a few close-up photos that I'll do to compare so you can see the difference. The process takes around about 45 minutes to an hour. Mine took more towards the hour side than the 40-minute side. She really talked me through the process, told me what she was gonna do, and made sure I was comfortable. And at the start of the appointment, she asked me if I wanted a more natural look or as much as they could be. And I was like, yep, give me as much lift as they can get. So that is what we did. First off, they basically comb your lashes, make sure there's no tangles or whatever you may call it. Then they pop on some little shields underneath your eye, and they put a little like a gel silicone thing on top of your eyelid. Then they pop on the glue. That is kind of the weirdest thing ever. It's so unnatural to have someone poking around so close to your lash line for so long. It's almost like if someone was filling in your tight line with like black liner, but for like 10 minutes. It's just super weird. I kept on feeling my eyes like sort of twitch, and I was scrunching my face. I probably didn't look that glamorous, but everyone's normal reaction is to, oh god, someone's right near my eye, I better like squint. Once she glues the lash to the silicone, she like pulls it up with little tweezer type things. Everything is placed nicely, and she separates them, makes sure they're really fluffy and exactly what you want. Then she put on the first solution. That took around 5 minutes to apply, and then she left it on there for 10 minutes. Then she removed that solution and popped on the second solution, and she left that on for 5 minutes. And then it was time to do the tinting. The tinting is a part of what you pay for. It's not extra, which is really nice. I think my lashes look a lot darker than they were before. I mean, it's hard to tell because now they look so lifted. They're gonna look different either way, but I definitely feel like they are a lot darker. Once it was all done, she peeled off the little shields and the little gel thing, and that's basically it. The one thing she did say is that I can't wet my lashes today, so I shouldn't really cleanse my face with a wash or anything like that. Just remove my makeup with a makeup wipe and leave it at that. But the cost was a little bit expensive, but I can totally justify it. So it was $115. They took a $30 deposit when I called to book my appointment, and then I paid the rest of it after my treatment. All up $115. I mean, to some people that might be so extravagant and they're like, what the hell? But to me, this is a big difference. You guys saw what they were before, and to come to this is quite, yeah, significant. So the treatment lasts around 6 to 8 weeks, so about 3 months. And I think that's pretty good. I mean, you are meant to swap out your mascaras every 3 months anyway. I mean, no mascara I've bought is $115, but just like the convenience of it is really worth it for me. I totally think this is the better alternative than having lash extensions. Lash extensions look great for the first few weeks, but as soon as they start falling out, it doesn't look cute and it's very expensive for the upkeep. And I feel like this is my natural lashes and they're gonna eventually fall out anyway and just go back to being normal, and it's not gonna be like a really piecey process. It's not like I'm gonna have to get infills constantly. So I can't wait to wear mascara tomorrow, because girl, if this is just like without any product, imagine what it's gonna be like with a really beautiful mascara. It's just gonna look amazing. I'm gonna like flutter away. So I'll film a little bit tomorrow and insert the clip here of like that experience of what it looks like. So I'm going to be using my Lash Sensational by Maybelline. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's affordable, it stays on, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake. It's really easy to get off in the shower or with makeup remover. It's just a really good mascara. So let's take this bad boy for a test. Already it feels really weird to like use. It feels like I'm just hitting sort of the bottom roots of my lashes and I'm not actually getting to the tips because they are so curled. I'm fairly sure this is like a flared out mascara. This is like one that gives you that butterfly fan sort of look. This is just one coat. This is like normally what I would use for every day anyway. I really like it. I think it looks really good. It looks natural. I don't think it looks like I'm wearing falsies, but it definitely looks like I have super long lashes. And I mean, that is what I am about. Yeah, I guess this is a good thing. It works well with mascara. I'm gonna say right now that it wouldn't work with a volumizing mascara. This still was pretty hard to like really brush through, if that makes sense, because they were so curled. With a volumizing mascara, they have usually those really big thick ones. I've got the Mecca Max Eye Max volumizing mascara, which I loved when I had normal lashes. This brush is just like gonna be way too much. I'm not even gonna attempt to put this on. It's gonna go everywhere. So this is with the lash lift. So you can see my lashes are obviously very lifted. They're curled to the gods. I couldn't even get my lashes to look this good with a lash curler, so I'm so stoked with that. They look really separated, which is nice. The one thing that I'm like, oh, I don't know. Alright, let's see if the camera picks this up. So I don't know if you guys can see. There's a lash in there. It's going completely sideways, and every time I try and push it over, it doesn't want to push over. I think it's just a stubborn lash. Maybe it like got over curled or something. But yeah, this like little guy in here is a little bit annoying, but you could only tell if you got really close to me or if I pointed it out. I mean, whatever, it's just like one lash. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I didn't get to film the process. I think next time I go back, I may ask if I can. If you guys wanted to see that, definitely let me know. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. I will leave all Amy Jean's details down below in the description box, so go check that out if you have any questions. I'll leave all my social media down there too, so go follow me on all of that. Definitely comment down below telling me your experience with anything lashes. I want to know. Any good mascaras. Let's just like make this a lash group and everyone can sort of filter through and see what's going on in the lash world. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.